In this lesson, I will explain to you frequency polygons. Frequency polygons use class midpoints and frequencies of the classes. Right? Suppose if you want to make the graph of frequency polygon, then first of all you have to calculate the midpoints of the class and you should know the frequencies of the classes, right? So suppose this is the class limit 100 to 104, 105 to 109 is the second class, and then 110 to 114 is the third class. So 100 is the lower class limit, 104 is the upper class limit. In the second column, I have calculated the midpoint. So the midpoint of first class is 100 plus 104 divided by 2. So it is 102. If you will see, the formula also comes here, and you should know that in Excel, always the formula starts with equal to sign. So equal to 100 plus 104 divided by 2 is the midpoint. Similarly, for the second class limit, 105 plus 109 divided by 2. So the second midpoint is 107 and third is 112 and so on. And these are the frequencies, right? The frequency of the first class is 5, then 15, then 25 and so on. So in frequency polygon, you have to use midpoints and the frequency to make the frequency polygon. So just select this data. Then click on insert. From insert, go to the scatter, and from scatter we will pick scatter with straight lines and marker. So click here. So this is the frequency polygon, right? But you have to connect the adjacent point with the line segment. These points, you have to connect these with the line segment here. So how you will connect? Okay, I will show you, right? The frequency here, we have to add one frequency line here and midpoint here. So select this, then right click, insert and shift cell down. Okay. So here you have to write down 0 because there is no frequency. So we have to start with 0. And here is what is the width? The width is 5. So here we can write down 98. So see, 98, 99, 100, 101 and 102. So width is 5. So we have mentioned 98. Similarly, the frequency, the starting frequency or the ending frequency is 0. And here we will write down the midpoint. So 5. Technically, this is not the data point, but we have to add in order to make it 0. See now what will happen to the graph? Same thing. Go to the insert and you will see now these points are touching, right? So on the basis of this graph, we can say, see, these are the 25. 25. So 25 is the highest frequency here. This is the 25. Right? Okay. So open this. Here I will show you access title. If you want to add access title here you can write down the frequency, right? If you want to write down, and here we can write down the midpoints or the whatever you want. If you do not want this, so remove that access title and then chart title. This is the chart. If you want to write down the name, so frequency polygon. This is the frequency polygon graph. And if you want to show the data here, data labels, see the data are here on 98, 0, and then 100, 5 points, and then see 120 you have the highest 25 frequency and so on. If you want to change the color of your graph, so come up here and these are the different color, whatever you want. It's up to you, right? Suppose if you want this. So same thing, just select here and this is the format and design. Open this. How you want to show your graph to your audience, like this. These are the different pattern or this, right? So in frequency polygon, always use the midpoints and frequencies in order to make the graph, and you have to connect these lines to the line segment. So first you have to add 0 because technically this is not the data value, but you have to add it. So frequency is 0, frequency is 0, last frequency is also 0. Then it will touch to the x-axis, and here whatever is the width, you have to write down the number here and the number on the last. If still you have any question, please write down in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube, Sci Academy. Thanks for watching it.